The music is coursing through my bones. Surrender. I just love your city. From bars now, I'm driving a car now. Where the fuck is your car now? End up that far. How the fuck did you go there? Who the fuck did you know that? How the fuck did you go there? Who the fuck did you know that? I'm from bars now. I'm driving a car now. Where the fuck is your car now? End up that far. How the fuck did you go there? Who the fuck did you know that? How the fuck did you go there? Who the fuck did you know that? I'm motherfucking bitches though.
Well, that was fun.
No more party?
Is that your nephew?
Yes, a party going to Vanilla Unicorn.
That's
Let's
Unc's
go.
nephew.
Yes.
Let's go.
We're going to Vanilla Unicorn, boys. Let's go.
Vanilla Unicorn? Oh shit, another party?
It's the after party.
Alright.
Then. Where the party train, yo? Where the party train?
Yeah, I saw him come in, and then he went out, and then I'm pretty sure he just opened the doors, shotgun or whatever. I don't know. I was the first one down though.
I run like a gamer.
Get a mole or get out, brother.
Get molded or get out, okay? You fucks need molded, okay? Get molded.
What do you say?
Get molded or get out. This is our club now, okay? So it's the Mullet Brothers.
There's a mullet, so we don't fuck with the mullet
shit.
around
That's
here.
a gun!
Oh.
This is a
Hey,
my
it's a
fucking
gun!
party.
It's a gun! Run!
Back
I
up,
don't want to
back
mess with
up.
the party train.
Why you gotta pull a gun, man?
You do not back up,
what
you
the
fucking
fuck,
bitch.
man?
Oh shit, what the
I
fuck?
told you to back up.
Oh,
You
shit.
do not
I'm
back
not
up.
involved. I might have a
You
mullet,
don't
but
fuck
I'm
with us.
not
This is my
involved.
fucking
I'm
party.
about to
You
get
get
my
out
ass
or you
shot.
die. You get out
You
or you
don't fuck
fucking
with the
die,
party
bitch.
train. You don't fuck with the party
This other
train.
mullet guy, he called for something. Hey, other mullet guy. What do you do?
Hey, Asian.
Other mullet guy.
Cletus, you should
You
really
with him?
watch who you talk
Yo,
to.
with
Asians are crazy, man.
He's back on, let's go.
Nigga, what's happening? Who's set tripping in this motherfucker?
Hey, why you stomping on Cletus?
Oh, I'm sorry, man.
Oh, shit. Hey,
We fucking these mullet niggas up?
hey.
We
Oh,
fucking these
Lord,
mullet
my
niggas
God.
up?
Oh,
We fucking
shit.
these dudes up?
Check, you fucking savage, bro.
Yo, roll these niggas, roll on them, homie.
Don't be stepping on Cletus. Step
Man.
away from him.
The nigga with the mullet.
Cletus is taking a nap. You step away from Cletus.
Yeah, that was a good shot.
He
That's
has a
good
mullet, so I can step on him.
Hey, what's up, man? What's your name, man? Nice to meet another brother. What's up, Jack?
I'm just a normal white guy. My name's Bill.
Alright. What's up, Bill?
Alright. Yeah. It's not that cool.
Me? I'm defined legit, man. You know, from the streets, south side. Yeah.
Damn.
I am black. Hey, what's up, Blue? How you doing? I understand why they call you Blue. You know?
Yeah, I always wear blue.
Yeah. No. Oh. I thought it was because you
What
were
do you need?
sad.
No, that too, but
Yeah, let's dance.
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah. Alright, Blue. Show us some moves, girl. Let me back up a little for you.
I don't dance.
What?
Hey, if she doesn't have to dance, then-
Look, man, I know how.
Ah, shit. Blue, look. I need you to do a little something like the man with the bag right here.
Need to hit it.
I'd rather
No,
watch
my
him with
homie,
the back.
come and hit this like
dude's
this,
working
this
it.
is
Yeah,
how you
I mean,
go,
I'd
lady.
rather watch him. I'd rather watch him.
They're both getting it
Yeah.
now.
Nah, I want to watch you. I want to watch you.
Easy killer.
Alright, my bad. Is that your girl? Is that your girl?
You know.
I've had too much to drink. I'ma back off over here.
Yes.
Look at this dance I minute. Check it out, check it out, check it out.
Oh,
God.
yeah. Show us your dance moves. Hey,
I'm being humped.
yeah.
A
Where you
not
learn that
visual.
from?
You gotta cross your arms and do a little thrust. That's the new dance.
Hey, man. So, hey, Blue, you know any other lady friends? I mean,
Oh shit.
Ow,
let me whisper
ow.
this.
Oh,
Oh, that's
Hey,
not nice.
Blue, you listening, girl?
That was probably an accident.
Hey, have you ever been with a black man, Blue?
Yeah, so,
Have you?
yeah, that's it.
Hey, you
got
heard
it.
you heard
Yeah, you
that?
Yeah, you don't whisper very well, bub.
Oh shit.
Alright.
Well,
Kando has to go
This
take
is
piss.
awkward.
I will be back. Be nice. All of you are be nice while I am gone, okay? Have a good party and don't get too fucked up yet. I will
Thanks,
be
Dad.
back.
Hey, alright, nephew.
No
Peace,
problem,
nephew. Hey, everybody, come out to the deck. It's a beautiful day outside. Look how blessed we are to be in the midst of the
I
city.
like being inside.
Hey,
Fuck yeah.
Same fucking
Hey.
friend.
I don't like it outside.
Can you not give me unsolicited hug?
No, Tati.
Okay, sorry.
Thank you. I mean, if you want to hug me, you have to ask first.
Oh wait, I think my cat came on the boat.
Your cat?
Yeah, he's somewhere on the boat.
No, if you got your cat to go through the water, that's impressive.
Every new record's my dick in a pot. We get a doozy, the moolah's a lot. You're getting used to me doing no wrong. I don't play chicken, you prick, I'm a fox. You wanna kick it, I'll give you bunches and bunches.
Asian viewers Uncle Joe.
Oodles and noodles. Bang bullets at suckers' noodles. Last that.
Looks like it's coming closer to us. Eventually. I mean, it doesn't look like it's staying. It's actually coming in pretty hot.
you wanna
You should jump
tell
it.
that
You should jump
asshole
on.
to turn
Hold
off
on.
the music from the 90s?
Their boat is sitting.
Oh shit! There goes her sailboat.
both
Oh
standing
shit!
alone.
Oh shit!
I'd rather
Oh,
hear
shit.
the
your
sound
bug.
of
Oh,
that.
shit.
That was impressive. Look at him go, dude. Damn, that's got hops.
Enjoy the music.
Damn, that actually saved his boat. Better be careful up there.
Yes.
I'm the king of the fucking coast!
Anyone? I feel like we missed some people, but oh well. This shit is slow as a hell.
It's a bunch
Or
of
this
people
boat.
on a boat at 5 in the morning because we ain't got nothing better to do.